This is a square. Squares always equal 360 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Each square has a length and a width. Each length and width is usually the same. If it's a square, then this one would be 8, and this one would be an 8. If it was a rectangle, either one would be bigger than the other. They would not be equal. To find the area, you would have to multiply the length times the width. As example right here, 8 times 8 equals 64. This is also a square, but squares can also be cut in half. And then the length and the width would be cut in half also. Like this square was cut in half. Since this was 10, since I was 10, these, if it was cut in half, these would equal 5. If it wasn't cut in half, you'd have to find it out by the angles given. This stays the same. Squares can also be cut down the middle, going horizontally. It's the same thing, it's rotated though. These equal 5, and that equals 10. Because this equals 10 total, but half of 10 is 5, and that's a half and that's a half. Rectangles are similar to squares because they both add up to 360 degrees. Each one has a 90 degrees, and a 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and a 90 degree angle. They all add up to 360. What's different about rectangles, though, is that they have different lengths and widths. The way to find the area of a rectangle is by multiplying 10 by 6. That equals 60. The area of this rectangle Cubes are very similar to squares, except for they're three-dimensional. Each side will equal the same. But the difference between a square and a cube is that a cube has a base, a height, and a width. The way to find the area is area equals base times height times width, which is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. This box is a three-dimensional rectangle. This is a three-dimensional box. With this, the height is 5, the width is 18, and the length is 12. To find the area, I would have to multiply 5 times 18 times 12. The area of the box is 1080.